Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome to AppSec's online support program. I am Sadaf Zaka from AppSec's Girls Jihlam Kent. I will be teaching you history of class 6 and this is assignment tutorial week 10. Windows to World History, pages 51, 52 and 59. The Indus Valley Civilization. Topics are religion, socio-economic system, and the decline of Indus Valley civilization. Required for this tutorial are textbook, vocabulary notepad, notebook, and modeling clay. Introduction. The Indus Valley civilization was a Bronze Age civilization in the northwest region of South Asia, lasting from 2600 BCE to 1900 BCE in its mature form. It flourished in the basins of Indus River, which flows through the length of Pakistan. The civilization's cities noted for their urban planning, big brick houses, elaborate drainage system, water supply systems, cluster of non-residential buildings, and new techniques of handicrafts and metallurgy. The two large cities were Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. The objectives for this lesson are: you will be able to describe the religion, writing, and governance of Indus Valley civilization, describe the salient features of socio-economic system, describe the cause of decline of Indus Valley civilization. Content. On day 1, we will be having the topics religion, writing, and governance. With the help of web diagram, and there is an activity of booklet making. On day 2, we will discuss the topics trade, Indus Valley seals, again with the help of web diagrams, and there is an activity of model making. On day 3, we will discuss the topic the decline of Indus Valley civilization, and there are some question answers. Day 1. Our subtopic is religion. The religion of Indus Valley people dates back approximately 5500 BCE. Their language is not deciphered so far, and their religion is still unidentified. They were assumed to be polytheist. A statue of priest king has been found after excavation, which means that they practiced some sort of religion. They worshipped Mother Goddess for abundant harvest. Writing. The Indus Valley script is one of the four earliest scripts. Almost 4,000 words in the form of inscription have been collected. Inscription or glyph strings are found on square or rectangular stamp seals. Inscribed clay tablets, scribbled metals, artifacts, and pottery are found. Governance. The Indus Valley people were ruled by priests. It means their religion and government have been linked. The civilization was widespread and was difficult to rule by a single person. There may have been administrative systems that governed the large settlements. Very few weapons have been excavated, which means they were not warlike. Vocabulary. What you have to do is, you have to prepare a bank of words you find difficult in new topics. Also to maintain a small notepad or booklet for new vocabulary. Day 2. Our subtopic is trade and seals. The Indus Valley people relied upon trade. Their trade is categorized into intertown, intratown, and intra-civilization. They traded with Persia, Mesopotamia, and China. Goods like terracotta pots, silver, gold, beads, colored gems seems to be great in demand. A prosperous agrarian economy and administrative system has been observed. The stamp seals were square or rectangular in shape, having intricate pattern and animal representation, which were used for trade. There is a research work for you. You have to make a model of seals using modeling clay or any other material. Day 3, Decline of Indus Valley Civilization. Some of the possible reasons of decline are: number 1, the Indus basin dried up and people moved to other areas. The river Indus may change its course. Some natural disasters like flood or devastating earthquakes struck the area. Overcultivation, overgrazing, and deforestation of the land forced people to move away. An epidemic may wipe out the population. There may be the foreign invasion, such as Aryans' attack, which Indus Valley people unable to resist. Written work. Do the exercise on page 59. Question number 3. Compare and contrast the salient features of Indus Valley civilization with Mesopotamian civilization. You have already studied about the Mesopotamian civilization. What you need to do is you need to uh, compare and contrast both civilization by writing their similarities and differences on your notebook. Question number 4. What were the reasons for the decline of Indus Valley civilization? You need to write the reasons of decline which historians have told. This is all from my side. Thank you for listening me.